I know exactly who I'm dealing with. And I have every intention of getting exactly what I want. One way or another. We'll discuss everything else once I get back. Hold the fort.
I already told you, I'm not moving.
Trust me, I understand. But we're two smart men trying to reach an agreement. I just want to make sure no one gets cheated.
I know the value of what I am offering.
Oh, so do I. But I'm not trying to broker a deal here. I'm trying to build a relationship. A greatly beneficial one.
And who will be at the receiving end?
That is a wonderful question. And the answer is equally wonderful. As long as things go according to plan.
Relationship, they say, is built on trust. And you know, trust is earned.
Of course. And to help foster that trust, I will accept your terms on this deal. 50 acres for a start.
I'll send the contract shortly.
Great. Before I take my leave, I've come to understand that you're a man who deals in many products and services. Would that happen to be true?
Rumors can be very dangerous.
Oh, I don't doubt that. But I'd like to get it confirmed or denied.
I only discuss serious business with serious businessmen.
Guess you don't consider me serious then.
Time will tell.
I like your style, Mr. Anand. I do like your style. Let's talk serious business next time we meet. Perhaps by then you'd come to realize just how serious I am.
So, can you still feel it?
Not at the same time, but I can feel something.
Wow. That's fantastic.
Yeah.
I told you it was only a matter of time.
Yeah, you did.
So, does that mean I would be getting an answer to my question soon?
You know what? There are a lot of places I intend to visit, and the coffee shop isn't at the top of priority. I'm sorry.
Okay. So this is me thinking aloud, yeah? What I could do to push it up the priority list.
You tell me, what can you do?
I'll work on it. I certainly will.
That's fine.
I'm thirsty.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I should have offered you water. Can you kindly go downstairs and grab one in the fridge?
Yeah, sure. I'll be back in a jiffy. I need to call some suppliers anyway. So.
Okay. Wait, you've been smiling this whole weekend?
Not as much as you have. Since yesterday and with Malik being here.
What is that?
Oh wait, you know this whole special treatment ends once you're better.
Just like that?
Of course.
No way, please. You better continue. I'm enjoying it.
You're not serious.
Come to think of it, it's been a while I read something from you.
I've been busy programming.
So because programming is filling your pocket, you put your writing on hold.
Not like that.
So this programming thing, is it going to be like a constant thing now?
It's just temporary until things go back to normal. Then I can focus on the novel.
Okay. So tell me, would you consider writing as a course at the university?
Let's not focus on problems that we cannot solve. Let's focus on the good.
How can't we solve that? I mean, look, think about it. You'll be fine.
Well, let me go before. You know?
Hey, Jacob.
Malik,
How are you?
I'm good.
Can I talk to you for a minute?
Of course.
Do you respect me?
Of course I do, Malik.
Then why have you been lying to me?
Lying to you, I don't get it.
That laptop and Goldfinger, it's just not adding up. You've been lying to me.
I'm not lying to you, Malik.
Hey, look at me. Tell me he's not a client you got it from. Jacob, I'm only trying to help you, okay? Living life on the fast lane will certainly come back and bite you in the butt sooner or later. Okay? Just be careful, okay? Bye.
Jane, what's up? Can I ask you something?
Well, you have to be quick about it because you've still got work to do.
On Thursday, did Sylvia give any muffin to Jacob?
Sylvia.
Yeah, or did he take any order and then go to Jacob's table? Anything of that sort?
Chibuzo, what are you talking about?
The muffins you gave Xavier to give to me yesterday.
You know what? Forget I asked. Thank you.
Sylvia.
Enjoy your coffee, sir.
The tip will end.
Thank you very much, sir. I'm glad you like it. Enjoy.
I don't recall setting up a meeting.
Yes, but I know you'll be interested in what I have to tell you.
How did you know where to find me?
That is not as important as what I have to tell you.
Let me be perfectly clear. You have no power here. And I decide What is of importance?
I have found a weakness within your organization.
Which is it?
Excuse me.
If you really have that information, then you are here for one of two reasons. To blackmail or to bargain.
That decision is not mine to take. Like you said, you decide.
I recommend you. But I choose neither.
You don't believe me?
I do, Adam. But I give you the choice. You either desist or you be deceased.
Enjoy your coffee.
Choose up. Aren't you supposed to be washing the dishes?
I'm done.
Oh, really? Well, there are some customers waiting for you outside. One customer is looking for you.
I don't see any customer.
Oh, one customer is there, is looking for you. Hurry up and serve the customers before Malik comes to see you here. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Jane, and how may I be of service to you?
Well, good afternoon. I'm not too familiar with your menu because this is only my second time here.
Yes, we served you coffee and milk the other time, right?
Yes, you did.
You know, over here, every customer matters.
Well, the last time I came here, I was served an exquisite cup of coffee.
And today is going to be much, much better. Would you want the same as the last time, or you want to try something new?
Why don't you surprise me?
Okay, I'll be right back.
Coffee shop.
Here you are, sir. Enjoy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Young lady, what's the meaning of this?
Excuse me?
This tastes nothing like the coffee I had the last time I was here. Where's the gentleman who brewed my coffee? He knows how to brew a better cup of coffee. This tastes like sawdust.
Jane, what's going on here?
Sir,
I ordered a cup of coffee and I got flavored water, sawdust.
My bad, sir. Please. Allow me to make you a fresh one.
You said we needed to talk.
Tell me why the client you brought in came here today talking about weakness in my organization.
What?
I asked for explanation. Or you want me to repeat myself?
Only God knows what he's talking about. It's nonsense.
A wise man knows a lie when he hears it. If you knew nothing, you wouldn't know where to find me. You wouldn't know where to find me.
I spoke to him about the next drop-off, but that was it. He shouldn't have access to that information.
So why does he have it?
I don't know. I honestly don't know.
You know little about a man you brought into the business? Get me answers before questions start arising about yourself.
I'll take care of it.
Call me the moment you see this.
Here's your coffee, sir. Please enjoy.
This had better be worth it.
Yes. This is more like it. This is what I had the last time I was here.
I'm glad it's to your liking.
This is the real deal. This is the real deal.
Apologies for the earlier disappointment, but this cup of coffee is on the house. Please enjoy.
Thank you.
Have a nice day, sir.
Coffee shop.
You're really doing good.
Thank you, sir.
I had relatively high expectations, but you managed to impress me. Do you care for a drink?
No, thank you. I appreciate it, but no, thank you.
I have 2 new tags.
Sir, but this is an incomplete malware.
Finish it. Make it undetectable to the new antivirus.
That is highly impossible, sir. The best thing I can do is make it look like a normal application software that sits on the computer.
Would that disguise it?
Depends on how well I program it.
I hope you finish before Wednesday.
That would be difficult, sir.
But not impossible.
Not impossible.
You know where to send it.
You said you had 2 tags.
Clever boy. Jacob. I want you to create a new cold wallet. Move 60% of the money from the current wallet into the new one.
Understood. Okay. Understood, sir.
The meeting is over.
Hey, you look cheerful today.
Yeah. I had a near perfect weekend.
Really?
Yeah, but I wish Friday night lasted longer.
Behave yourself.
I can be honest.
I mean, you can.
I'm guessing the studying went well.
It did, but I didn't get as much done as I would have.
Which means you have to make time for it.
If I want the grades that I'm looking for, then yes.
Yeah, I was thinking we could hang out again.
We can, but like I said, I have exams.
You know, I could help you study. You know, kill two birds with one stone.
Let me think about it. The usual?
Not yet. I'm craving something else today.
Ice cream.
And now even sweeter.
I have to get back to work.
Bye.
Is everything all right? You barely said a word on our way here.
I am. It's just a lot to take in now.
It's a lot for all of us. But change is good.
Yes, it is. It felt so good. A part of me is waiting to wake up, you know?
Listen to me. You will not stay like this forever. You won't. So you can lose your guard and enjoy the moment. Okay?
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
But let me tell you something. You might miss not feeling anything when you start relearning how to walk. Or when you have to go out and stand for long hours. Or even when you have to drive for long.
Is driving a problem?
Well, it gets tiring at some point.
Jacob can help.
As soon as he gets his license, both of you will be taking turns in driving me. He cannot say he's the man of the house and still expect me to drive him everywhere.
Fine.
You'll be all right, okay? Come here. Love you. Love you.
Hello.
Hi.
How are we today?
We are fine.
Please forgive me for having you wait for so long.
It's okay.
How are you feeling today? I heard you were able to feel some stimulation in your legs over the weekend.
Yes.
And you're able to move it slightly?
A bit.
I'd like to see it. You know, that's okay. No, it's all right.
Wait, I can do it.
Wow. Can you do that again? Wow. Can you try with your left leg? Oh wow. This is remarkable. That's great.
Yes. Doctor, so what does this mean?
So the brain sends messages to other parts of the body through sending signals through the spine. As a result of her accident, her spine was fractured around the lumbar region, like the L1 specifically. So the brain was no longer able to send messages because the road was basically blocked. However, the spine is able to heal itself and reorganize itself to adapt to these changes. More than likely, that's what is happening now. But we wouldn't know for sure until we do some tests and scans. We'll know more when I have the scans in my hands.
So if that's the case, what's the next step?
Now we have to assess how the fracture has healed and also the recovery of the nerves that were damaged. If all is well, you'll almost be as good as new.
And if that's not the case?
If that's not the case, then we'd have to perform a surgery to correct the spine.
Surgery?
Look, it's not very risky, even though the procedure is complicated. Regardless, this development is great news.
I'm sure our insurance should cover the surgery.
Unfortunately not, but let's confirm with the scans. If all is good, you don't even have to worry about the surgery, not to think of the costs.
How much does the surgery cost?
Not less than 50,000 CDs.
That's pricey. It's okay.
Should be fine. It'll be fine.
Let's go. Everybody one day will need somebody. Brother, if you lonely, reach out, cause I know be life. Sister, all that's being star. Brother, make you no wonder. Make you drop the pressure and come to this side of life. You for smile as you go. Screw face, no go pay the bill you for no. This life, yeah. Happy connection at the coffee shop. 1-to-1 tensions at the coffee shop. Friendly connections at the coffee shop. You for know, you gonna know, you for know. Coffee shop, you for know, you gonna know.
Yo,
for know. Coffee shop.
It's time to step up now. Early morning like this when you wake up now. My brother, one thing you don't forget now. Enter the coffee shop and you connect now. Happily ever after. Now you see every man is a superstar. Wild dreams on your head and you the wonder. Find someone and together you run that.
Coffee shop.
Say bonjour, hello friend. We got what each other need, make we blend. Tu comprends, you understand. Merci, bring it on and we ascend.